which is smart mechanized agriculture and climate action for humanity and sustainability. We look at different ways on how to connect the young people in opportunities in agriculture and climate action, and to be a part of the conversation so that the young people can get different opportunities in environment and climate change. So for today, mine is to thank the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change for holding the hand of the young people in this journey, and to encourage them to continue being our mentors. Because as young people, we have the ideas, we are brilliant, we are creative, but we need different partners in this journey that we go, the government, non-government organizations. So for today, mine is to thank them for the fact that they've held our hand, and to request that they continue to mentor us in this journey we are undertaking, and the national agenda that we are undertaking in regards to tree planting and to tree growing. So thank you so much, and thank you also to Her Excellency the Governor for hosting this event and being a champion for the young people. Thank you.